In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a link in a rich text module in Hubspot. If you're new to HubSpot or just looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can confidently add links to enhance your content. First, let's start by navigating to HubSpot's website. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate and click on the login button. Logging into your account is the gateway to accessing all the tools HubSpot has to offer, so make sure you've got your login details ready. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the HubSpot home. From here, you'll see a myriad of options, but our focus today is on content. So go ahead and click on Content. This menu is where you manage all your website's pages and blog posts, and it serves as an essential control center for digital marketing. After clicking on Content, you'll see an array of options. Look for website pages and click on it. This section will display all the web pages you have available or are working on. Browse through the list and select the page where you want to add your link. Selecting a specific page will direct you to a detailed editor view for that page. In the editor, your next task is to click on Add. This is where the fun begins, as this is your entry point for making modifications and improvements to your page. To keep your content organized and accessible, click on Show More. This will expand your options and allow you to choose from various elements you can add to your page. Among the expanded options, choose Rich Text. This will insert a rich text module into your page, giving you the opportunity to format your text and add links just like you would in a word processor. Once you've clicked on Rich Text, you'll want to move your cursor to the text where the link should be embedded. After selecting the text, navigate to the toolbar and click on Insert. This toolbar is your primary formatting tool within the Rich Text module. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. At this step, click on Link. This option is what makes your text interactive, leading your audience to additional resources, other pages on your website, or any URL you specify. Once you've clicked Link, all that's left is to enter the URL you'd like the text to link to, and then click on the final Insert button in the dialog box. And voila! The text in your rich text module is now a functional link. Congratulations! You've just learned how to insert a link into a rich text module in HubSpot. With these skills, you can enhance your pages, improve navigation, and provide additional value to your visitors. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring HubSpot's powerful features.